Good morning, guys. Thank you so much for clicking in this video. My name is Georgina Roy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I bring you guys for the first time my morning routine slash my skincare routine in the morning, of course. So you guys gonna be able to see all those things in this video. Thank you so much if you're a return subscriber, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Georgina. Please subscribe to this channel. We all about skincare, hair care, beauty, and a lot of more things. So I would like to see you in the next video. I sleep in completely darkness, so first thing I do when I wake up in the morning, I open my windows, and then next I'm gonna be making my bed. Making my bed is so special for me because I like to have my place well done, nice looking, so it makes me feel 80% more productive during the day. So yeah, I recently had a bedroom makeover because my bedroom wasn't like this, and I'm gonna be uploading this video I think before this or after this one, so you guys stay tuned. Every morning after I finish making my bed, I like to spray this air freshener in it. It's give the bedroom another vibe to start the day. After I finish making my bed, I'm gonna hop in the shower real quick. And this morning I'm gonna be using my green glove, and for my body gel I'm gonna be using Dr. Tears. This one, guys, smells so good. I highly recommend it. Now I'm here, I'm gonna be putting my deodorant. I can't forget about my deodorant. Oh. And then, guys, I take off my bonnet and I'm gonna be adding some oil, because even when I wear wig the whole week, I always like having my natural hair very greasy. So not only for the grease, but not for the grease part, I like having my hair with this oil. This oil is made with multiple different type of oil: coconut oil, avocado oil, and I mix them all together, and I put some natural leaf in it. I can't remember the name of this leaf, but I will find it and I will put it for you guys in another video. So this oil, I put it all not every day, but today, let's say twice a week, I put it in my hair, and it's keep my hair moisturized, and it's actually help my hair to grow a lot. Okay, now I'm spraying my wig. And I put in my wig. Oh, this wig name is Dora the Explorer. And I'm gonna be brushing my teeth, and after I'm done brushing my teeth, I'm gonna go into my skincare for the day. I I start my skincare using a cleanser. This cleanser is Pond's from Juicy Collection. I've been using this since my acne situation. It's really helped me. It's really hydrated my face, and it's been really good to my skin, so I don't have no intention to change it right now. After my cleanser, I'm gonna be using tonic water. This tonic water from Michelle Marie. It's a very, very nice one. It's been so nice to my skin. Highly recommended. And after my tonic water, I was supposed to add my vitamin C on my face, and I completely forgot, and I jumped right to my sunscreen. So somebody explained to me the real importance of sunscreen in your face every single morning, and I've been trying to follow it. I've been trying to do it because I don't want to go back to have all this acne I had in my face. So yeah, so that's it for my skincare routine in the morning. Here I am back in my bedroom. I'm gonna be putting some lotion in my legs, and then I'm going to get dressed to start the day. So for today morning, I'm gonna keep it very simple. I usually do eggs, but this morning I wanted to do a smoothie, and I'm gonna eat it with 2 pieces of bread with some cheese in it, and that's it. And after I eat my bread, I'm gonna be putting some water in my plants. I'm the plant lady. I love plant. I love nature. And yes, that's what I'm doing. This is the leaf I put in my oil. I don't know what's the name. So yeah, I'm gonna be watering all my plants. I have 6 plants. They're so beautiful. I keep them alive. I water every single day, so I'm doing a good job. And yes, it was raining this morning. So beautiful, so peaceful. If you have reached to this point of this video, thank you so much for watching. Now seriously guys, thank you so much. And I'm gonna be sitting here drinking the smoothie and waiting for my first client. And yes, if you guys didn't know that, I am a nail technician, and I work from home, and I do all that la-da-di-da-di-da-di thing, you know. So yes, one day I might upload a nails video, but I don't know. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I can see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up and be part of that family. I'm amazing. You too.